In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a font into Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, the very first step is to log into your Klaviyo account. Simply head over to the Klaviyo website and enter your credentials. This process should only take a few moments, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. Next, let's navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is where you can find all the email campaigns you're currently managing. Look for the specific email campaign you want to update with a fresh font. Click on it to get it ready for editing. Once you're in the campaign, it's time to open the template editor. You can find this by clicking on the Content or Design options. This editor is where all the fun happens, as you'll be customizing your email's layout and style. Now that you're in the template editor, you're going to want to access the font options. Look around for an option that says Add Font. It should be pretty visible, and once you find it, give it a click. This action will open up a menu that allows you to explore all the font options available to you. When you're in the font selection menu, I recommend taking a look at Google Fonts. Instead of being stuck with just the standard options, you can access an extensive library of fonts by clicking on Select Google Font. This is a treasure trove for typography lovers, as it offers plenty of beautiful and modern styles to choose from. Now, let's search for your preferred font style. For today's example, we'll be using Advent Pro, but feel free to select any Google font that matches your brand's vibe. Simply enter the name of the font you're looking for into the search bar, and it should pop right up. Once you've found your choice, go ahead and click on it. After selecting your desired font, it's very important to finish the process by clicking Add Font. This will import the font into your campaign, making it available for you to use throughout your email design. And that's it. You've successfully imported a font into Klaviyo. With this simple step, you can enhance your email's aesthetic and ensure that they truly reflect your brand's identity. Using the right font can make a significant difference in engagement, so don't overlook this crucial detail. Remember, this platform allows you to be creative and communicate better with your audience through email. Take the time to explore different styles and find the perfect fit for your messaging. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you've enjoyed learning how to import a font into Klaviyo, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more helpful content.